Role of human skeleton. 1. Structural support. The vertebral column provides structural support to the body, allowing it to stand upright and maintain posture. 2. Protection of organs. The skull protects the brain from external trauma and injury. 3. Facilitation of movement. The hip joint facilitates walking, running, and various movements by allowing the femur to articulate with the pelvic bones. 4. Blood cell production. Red bone marrow in the sternum, ribs, and pelvic bones is responsible for the production of red and white blood cells. 5. Mineral storage and release. Bones release stored calcium into the bloodstream for muscle contraction and nerve function. 6. Calcium homeostasis. Parathyroid hormone regulates calcium levels in the blood by stimulating the release of calcium from bones. 7. Endocrine regulation. Osteocalcin, produced by bones, influences energy metabolism and insulin sensitivity. 8. Body temperature regulation. Bones releasing calcium during metabolic processes contribute to thermoregulation. 9. Joint stability and flexibility. The shoulder joint provides stability for the arm while allowing a wide range of movements, including rotation and abduction. 10. Mechanical support for soft tissues. The femur, along with muscles and ligaments, supports the body's weight during activities like walking or running. 11. Posture maintenance. The spinal column helps maintain an upright posture, preventing slouching or curvature abnormalities. 12. Sound transmission. The ossicles in the middle ear transmit sound vibrations from the eardrum to the inner ear, facilitating the sense of hearing. Questions. 1. What is the function of the skeleton? The skeleton provides structural support, protects organs, facilitates movement, and produces blood cells. 2. How many bones are there in the adult human body? The adult human body typically has 206 bones. 3. What are the two main types of skeletons in the animal kingdom? Exoskeleton and endoskeleton. 4. Which bone protects the brain? The skull, specifically the cranium, protects the brain. 5. What is the smallest bone in the human body? The stapes bone in the middle ear is the smallest bone. 6. How many vertebrae make up the human spine? There are 33 vertebrae in the human spine, including 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, and 5 lumbar vertebrae. 7. What is the purpose of red bone marrow? Red bone marrow produces blood cells, including red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. 8. Which bone is commonly referred to as the collarbone? The clavicle is commonly known as the collarbone. 9. What connects muscles to bones? Tendons connect muscles to bones. 11. What joint allows for the widest range of motion in the human body? The shoulder joint has the widest range of motion. 12. What is the scientific name for the kneecap? The patella. 13. How many bones are in the human hand? There are 27 bones in the human hand, including the carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges. 14. Which bones make up the forearm? The ulna and radius are the bones of the forearm. 15. What is the purpose of the rib cage? The rib cage protects the organs in the thoracic cavity, such as the heart and lungs. 16. What is the primary mineral found in bones? Calcium is the primary mineral found in bones. 17. Which part of the spine is located in the lower back? The lumbar spine. 18. What is the purpose of the vertebral discs? Vertebral discs provide cushioning and flexibility between vertebrae. 19. What is the medical term for the thigh bone? The femur. 20. How many bones are in the adult human skull? The adult human skull has 22 bones, including 8 cranial bones and 14 facial bones. 21. What is the name of the bone in the upper arm? The humerus. 22. Which bones form the bridge of the nose? The nasal bones. 23. What is the purpose of the spinal cord? The spinal cord transmits signals between the brain and the rest of the body and is protected by the vertebral column.